Oz. I know it sounded like I, but he said Oz. I went down this road.
Okay.
It's just that he slurs a lot of things, but he was saying Oz celebrates the demise of Roe v. Wade.
So we're going to be in the business of what John Fetterman meant to say.
It sounded like I, but it was Oz. I looked at this the other day. I promise you.
So here's what Dr. Mehmet Oz said, that he probably went back. Oh, do we not pull that one? We probably didn't pull that one. The one where Oz says the Pittsburgh Steelers. No, it's okay. We know basically what it says. He basically, instead of saying the Pittsburgh Steelers weren't playing this weekend, you want to win over Pittsburgh, everybody counts, and he said go to a Steelers game.
Yeah, Mehmet Oz reminds me a little bit about that old Saturday Night Live clip of the Dukakis-Bush debate, when Dukakis looks at the camera and says, I can't believe I'm losing to this guy.
I know. I mean, to me, it's the craziest thing ever. I know you can't do it because you got to report the news, but I'll just give it what I feel. He's a lead heart surgeon, treats everyone who, I met somebody who sells heart devices, knew him in Colombia, said he's the nicest person you will ever meet. I've seen him help people having chest pains in taxi cabs 2 blocks away from here. He was a very successful independent syndicated talk show host who would have mainstream issues in which he would look at different products. And now they're saying he's a snake oil salesman. He's an elite heart surgeon.
Yeah.
It's like they used to mock Ben Carson. The guy was one of the top 5 brain surgeons in the world. It's like a nutty universe we're in.
Yeah, and you wonder why people don't get into politics. You wonder why we have a hard time recruiting any party, to get good candidates. Because people look at this and go, why do I want to put myself through this?
Right. Then we end up with 6'7" hoodie wearing guys who lived in his house till he was 42 years old and wears moccasins everywhere and can't really speak.
Yeah, he would not be the most cognitively compromised senator ever to serve in the United States Senate.
More on that when we return.
Hi, good night, everybody.
I can't believe I'm losing to this guy.
Giving you everything you need to know. You're with Brian Kilmeade.
Fox News Podcasts Network.
Hey, this is Trey Gowdy, host of the Trey Gowdy Podcast. Every Tuesday, you'll hear what's on my mind. Plus, every Thursday, there's a special bonus episode where we answer the questions that are on your mind. Make sure to spend your Tuesdays and Thursdays with Trey. Subscribe now at foxnewspodcast.com or wherever you download podcasts. Hope to see you.
America's listening to Fox News.
Every year, we say we'll wake up earlier, exercise more, really rest, and eat healthier. It's hard for us, but for dogs, not so much. Dogs are up at dawn, run for fun, sleep like champs, and they love eating fresh, healthy food every single meal. Give your dog another healthy habit. Real, fresh food from the Farmer's Dog. Get 50% off your first box at thefarmersdog.com/radio.
Hey, Santa Clara County sports fans. The new Omicron booster is here and available for everyone 12 and older. Remember that kids can get really sick with COVID and the effects can be serious and long-term. You can't be at the top of your game when you're super fatigued. So keep your athletes safe this fall and winter with this important booster. And of course, wear a high-quality mask whenever you're inside with lots of people. Visit sccfreevax.org or call 211 to make your booster appointment. Stay healthy and stay in the game.
Do you experience pain, burning, numbness, or tingling in your hands, legs, or feet? Are you worried your balance may lead to a seriously damaging fall? Danville Neuropathy Center has a proven, exciting treatment for peripheral neuropathy that repairs and regrows damaged nerves. It's FDA cleared, and because of its success, Medicare and most major insurances cover the treatment. Don't risk your health any longer. Call 925-270-1460 to schedule an appointment or visit DanvilleNeuropathyCenter.com. That's 925-270-1460. We are a COVID-compliant facility.
Mom, what does better for you food mean?
Something that takes a while to make. Not with Knorr's pasta and rice sides. They're made with no artificial flavors or preservatives and and can be combined with protein and vegetables, so you don't need to spend hours in the kitchen making nutritious meals.
Mom, what does relieved mean?
It means feeling good, because thanks to Knorr, I now have more time to help you with homework. A+. Knorr. Taste for good.
Mom, what does better for you food mean?
Something that takes a while to make. Not with Knorr's pasta and rice sides. They're made with no artificial flavors or preservatives and can be combined with protein and vegetables, so you don't need to spend hours in the kitchen making nutritious meals.
Mom, what does relieved mean?
It means feeling good, because thanks to Knorr, I now have more time to help you with homework. A+. Knorr. Taste for good.
Start your day with confidence with Dove Advanced Care Dry Spray. Its effective protection is kind to skin and leaves underarms feeling instantly dry and soft. Go ahead and raise your arms. Feel more confident and carefree with Dove Advanced Care Dry Spray.
Everyone, Al Roker here. As a guy with his own catchphrase, I appreciate that Smokey's only said,
Only you can prevent wildfires.
but I'm filling it because there's a lot more to report. Like when there are parched or windy conditions out there, you gotta be extra careful with things like burning yard waste. After all, wildfires can start anywhere, even in your neck of the woods. Go to SmokeyBear.com to learn more about wildfire prevention. Brought to you by the U.S. Forest Service, your state forester, and the Ad Council.
Mom, what does better for you food mean?
Something that takes a while to make. Not with Knorr's pasta and rice sides. They're made with no artificial flavors or preservatives and can be combined with protein and vegetables, so you don't need to spend hours in the kitchen making nutritious meals.
Mom, what does relieved mean?
It means feeling good, because thanks to Knorr, I now have more time to help you with homework. A+. Knorr. Taste for good.
If you're interested in it, Brian's talking about it. You're with Brian Kilmeade.
We have the best poll numbers. Where are they? Are they putting them up in the street? We're winning big, big, big in the Republican Party for the nomination like nobody's ever seen before. Let's see, there it is. Trump at 71. Ron DeSanctimonious at 10%.
So Mark Thiessen's here and Brett Baer for one more segment. First up, we got to promo your coverage tonight. Mark, you're going to be all over it.
Tonight, I have special report.
That's it? No, nothing special?
Tomorrow is election day.
But you're not going to do anything special tonight?
What do you want me to do? A little song and dance?
Can we
A
get
little-
you an hour? Anywhere? That's right. We do have a stacked lineup.
I mean, there's other people on the network.
Right. Are you
I
going
mean,
to be
have
on other shows?
How many shows? 5 shows?
No, I got 3.
You got 3 shows?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. No, I'll be.
It's really about tomorrow.
Preparing.
And just like visiting all these.
Exactly.
Because everyone's in New York. Mark, what about you?
I've got no shows.
Right. But you're going to be on all these shows.
But I'll be on a bunch of them.
Hey, Alex, good to give Mark a show. I know, this is very
They're
awesome.
handed about.
Right. So you're going to be on, and who are you going to be on today?
I was just on America's Newsroom. I just did Barney.
And you're going to be on tomorrow?
I'm going to be on tomorrow, yeah, for election
Okay,
coverage.
so your reaction to 2024, and what do you think Ron DeSantis is thinking when he heard he was referenced like that?
I don't know. I think he's thinking about winning an election tomorrow, and all signs point that he's going to win big in Florida. I don't know. You know, I think it's just fascinating to see how in Republican circles that is digested, and it was not received very well. What former President Trump said, and I think it's setting the table for what's going to happen next. When he's going to announce. For the longest time, I didn't think actually he was going to do it, but I'm pretty convinced he is now.
Mark, your answer?
Yeah, I think what DeSantis thought is Trump's afraid of me. I think that's my reaction to it. I think that if you look at the numbers, so again, Trump was in October of 2021, 78% of Republicans said they wanted Trump to run for president in 2024. By this summer, it was down to 49%. So that's a major drop in the number of people who think that he should be the nominee. He's still ahead of DeSantis, but I'll tell you what DeSantis does, which is interesting and why he's a threat to Trump. He gives you everything that you like about Donald Trump. He's a counterpuncher. He went after Disney. He pushed back on the lockdowns. He goes after the people, the way people love that Trump's a counterpuncher, that he's a fighter, right? I mean, you saw that ad that he did with Paul Harvey, that God created a fighter. So he gives you all that, but he's also a wonk. Like if you watch his debate with Chris, it was just a masterclass of laying out his policies and what he's did. He's got a great record of conservative reform, and then he's able to flip the switch